What's going on, guys? Welcome to Speak Tut. We have another whiteboard session. We started this innovative style of teaching a while ago to teach people Tut, and we're glad to see that there are other channels that are adopting the methods that we're using. We want everyone to learn. So today what we're going to do is we're going to work on greetings. And the first greeting that we're going to work on is just how to say hello. And now we're going to start speaking in Tut. Here we go. Tateshi fafayurat sas Tut. Isas hashai. 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 Okay. Inandad tateshi sasi kato nandad. Isas jug squaw dud. Momorat nanay nanjug. Jug squaw dud. Momorat nanay nanjug. Sasquai. Tateshi sasyunan. Jug squaw dud. Momorat nanay nanjug. Enandad tateshi tatesh ayrad dud. Isas. Jug squaw dud. Afaf tati rut nun squaw nun. Jug squaw dud. Afaf tati rut nun squaw nun. Yakoyu kate nun sasquai tateshi cut lolo cut kak. Cut lolo cut kak. Aitat Isas 12 p.m. Jug squaw dud. Afaf tati rut nun squaw nun. Enandad tateshi fufo yura tatesh Isas. Jug squaw dud. Evavi nun ainan jug. Jug squaw dud. Evavi nun ainan jug. Tateshi sasyunan. Isas sasi square tut ainan jug. Tateshi sasyunan. Isas sasi square tut ainan jug. Jug squaw dud. Eva vinan ainan jug. Jug squaw dud. Eva vinan ainan jug. Inandud tateshi lale sus tut. Onani Isas. Jug squaw dud. Nanai jug hash tut. Jug squaw dud. Nanai jug hash tut. Aitat Isas nanai jug hash tut. Jug squaw dud. Nanai jug hash tut. Okay. Thank you guys for listening. I appreciate it. Bobyaki. Check us out at SpeakTut at patreon.com.